Hello everyone. My name is Christine Jean Fuentes Aguilon from BEED 2A. Today, I will going to discuss to you about the how do you separate the components of a mixtures. Separating the components of mixtures depends on the types of substances in the mixture and their physical properties. Separating homogeneous mixtures is where the components are evenly distributed or indistinguishable. To separate this, you usually need to rely on techniques that leverage differences in boiling point, solubility, or other chemical properties. Here are some common methods for separating homogeneous mixtures. Number 1 is separation by evaporation. When we say evaporation, it is the process by which a liquid turns into vapor at temperatures below its boiling points. It occurs when molecules at the surface of the liquid gain enough energy to break free from the liquid state and enter the gaseous phase. In coastal areas, salt is collected by letting seawater dry out in the sun. The seawater is put into shallow ponds, and as the sun hits, the water slowly evaporates, leaving behind salt crystals. Once the water is gone, people gather the salt that's left. This natural process is a simple way to get salt from seawater. Number 2 is separation by centrifugation. Getting sugar from sugarcane juice is harder because it needs several steps. First, the juice is squeezed out from the sugarcane. Then it's cleaned to remove impurities. The juice is boiled to make a thick syrup, which is the cold to let sugar crystals form. Finally, the crystals are separated and dried to get pure sugar. This process involves careful heating and cooling, making it more complex than just evaporating seawater to get salt. Number 3 is separating by distillation. Ethanol or ethyl alcohol is made by fermenting plant liquids from crops like sugarcane. The plant liquids contain water and sugars. When yeast is added, it turns the sugars into alcohol. Finally, the mixture is distilled to separate the alcohol from the water, giving us purified ethanol. Number 4 is separating gases by rectification. It is a process used to separate mixed gases based on their different boiling points. It involves heating the gas mixtures, allowing components with lower boiling points to vaporize first. The vapor is then cooled and condensed back into a liquid, separating it from the remaining components. This method is commonly used in the production of pure gases and in the petrochemical industry. Benefits of separating mixture from products in the community. Separating mixture is important because it allows us to get useful materials that we need. In nature, many things are mixed together, like minerals or plant extracts. When we separate these mixtures, we can find valuable resources such as salt from seawater or sugar from sugarcane. These materials are essential for cooking, making food, and other everyday products. By separating mixtures, we help provide important resources for our community.